OPFI stock analysis and OPFI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. OPFI, Oppfi, whatever the pronunciation is there. I guess that's that, but it's 964. Even post-market is starting to pick up. Went up 13% even today. I'm more so intrigued by the higher time frame bias, in which even if I look at the weekly, it's starting to pick up. So this is beautiful. Context, I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentorships, and just like observing this, I most importantly still want to take things up, and it's not going to be your everyday longs though. Like I'm not going to just, like once we open Monday, start blasting buys. No. It will have to give me like a little retracement, even like maybe fill in a gap or two. But unless I see a shift, a proper Wyckoff accumulation, there's just no way. Like in my rules, met like a proper risk to reward, position timing, all that, then I'm not going to pull the trigger though. Like, but obviously I'll keep you updated, so stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.